Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this eyeshadow palette. This one I have bought recently, and you can see this is SFR Color Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette. So it's very affordable. I got this for only rupees 238 from Flipkart. So this is easily available on Flipkart. I will give the link in the description box if you want to buy this palette. So as you must be knowing, I am very fond of affordable makeup products, because if on affordable range we are getting good makeup products which work really well and better than branded products, then why not to go for affordable products? And also all the college going students and teenagers who only get pocket money, so they can also afford such type of products and they can create very good eye makeup looks. And also for beginners, this palette is very good, so I thought of sharing with you all. So using this palette, I have created this eye makeup look. You can see this purple eye makeup look, which is very ideal for parties. So if you are going for nighttime parties and all, you can definitely create this eye makeup. So first let's start with a review of this palette, and after that I'll be sharing the, you can see here it's written SFR Color Beauty Killer 26 color eyeshadow palette. And I'm shooting this video in daylight so that you can see the shades properly. So the ingredients are mentioned. As you can see, this palette has talc, mica, kaolin, dimethicone, and it also has paraben, propyl paraben. So if any one of you is having issue with paraben, then please don't take this eyeshadow palette. And here the expiry is also mentioned. The production date is 5/2019 and it's going to expire on 5/2024. So we are getting 5 years of shelf life in this product, and the net weight is 39.2 grams, and this is a cruelty free product. So now I'll be opening and showing you the palette. So you can see the packaging is very beautiful. It's a plastic sort of case. So it's a plastic case, as you can see, and it's transparent, so we can see our shades. So that is good. And this plastic is also not very flimsy. It is of good quality. You can see it closes really well. So on the back also you are getting the same details as was mentioned on the cardboard packaging. The ingredients are mentioned. The expiry is also mentioned. So you can see the shades. The shades are very beautiful and gorgeous, and each and every type of shades are there. So it's a very versatile palette. You can use this palette as a blush, as a highlighter, as a contour, because these shades are also there. This brown shade is there, so this one can be used as a contour shade. And even for filling eyebrows also you can use this palette, because this grayish black sort of shade is here. So this one can be used to fill eyebrows, and as a blush also you can use. So these pink shades, this one can be used as a blush. So overall I like this palette a lot, and the golden shades are also very beautiful. You can see these golden shades. So there are also neutral shades in this palette. There are both neutral shades, earthy tone shades are also there, which will look very beautiful on Indian skin tones. There is a good mix of both matte and shimmer shades. So this shade over here, you can see this is a matte white shade, and this can be used to set your eyelids after applying a concealer. And this shade is also a little bit powdery. So the matte shades in this palette are a little bit powdery. They are not chalky, but they are powdery, and they blend really very well. So the blendability is very good, and they pick both with brush and fingers well. I have already tried this palette, and I'm telling you after using it. So in the first row, this shade is satin, and this shade is satin, and all the shades are matte. So these 4 shades, this 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 shades can be used to as transition shades, and they look very beautiful on crease. And this row, the second row, is having only satin finish eyeshadows, and this row has only one matte shade, this one, and rest all are of satin finish. And this the lowest row over here has only satin finish eyeshadows. So these eyeshadows, they are not too much shimmery on eyelids. They are of satin finish. This applicator, you can see this is a dual ended sponge tip applicator. So these applicators are really very useful and very handy. So please don't throw it, guys, because you can use this eyes to apply this satin eyeshadows on your eyelids. And also for smudging kajal and smudging on the lower lash line, you can definitely use this. If you are going to any party, you can use this palette. You can also create both daytime and nighttime looks using this palette, which is a great part. Now I'll be giving you the hand swatches, and I'll be inserting the pictures so that you can see the pigmentation. I have swatched all the rows on my hand. So as you can see, I have done my face makeup, but I have not completed my eye makeup. So I'll be showing the eye makeup to you now. And I have only primed my eyelids using a concealer, that is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, and I've set it well with a loose powder. And also I filled my eyebrows, as you can see. First I'm picking up this purple shade, and I'll be using the same applicator that came with this palette, this sponge tip applicator. So you can see it's getting well picked up with this brush. Guys, look at the pigmentation. It's so pretty. I'm just zooming in a little bit so that you can see my eye makeup. So I'm not taking any black base so that you can see the pigmentation directly on my eyelids. So I can see a very little fallout, very little, minimal, not much. So now I'm taking this fluffy blending brush, and I'm picking up this shade, this pink shade, and I'll try to blend the edges with this. Actually it is not that much shimmery or satin, so that's why I'm using this as a transition shade. Just blending that shade on the lower lash line a little bit, that same pink shade. So now I'm thinking of taking this shade, this matte grayish black sort of shade, and this one I'm using a little bit to intensify my outer V. You can see I'm taking this brush. This is a small blending brush. So I'm going to use these false eyelashes, and after applying them I'll be back. This I've taken from Flipkart, and I'll share the link in the description box. So now you can see I have applied my false eyelashes, and these eyelashes are very natural looking. They are not over dramatic. Now I'll be applying this liner. This is Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. This is purple eye winking kajal in the shade black, and I'm going to apply on my waterline. I'm going to use this to smoke out my kajal a little bit. I'll be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, and for that I'll be using this shade over here, this peachy sort of champagne sort of highlighting shade, and I'll be using this sponge tip applicator only. Highlight my brow bone a little bit with this shade only. And finally I'm going to apply this mascara. This is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara, and this is the Easy Wash variant. So this step is also important to blend your natural eyelashes with your artificial eyelashes. You can see this is my final completed eye makeup look. So I highly recommend this palette. Please go ahead and buy this palette. You will love this palette. I am just assuring you will love this palette. So if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any of my videos, you'll be notified. And please don't forget to give it a like and share. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.